See me eating.
Can we take a picture of you eating?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. This is Colin eating. What are you eating? Oh, that. Sugary cereals? Is that a special treat? Yeah. Are you eating apples too?
Yep.
Yep. Nature sugar.
Where's she Bridget?
Is Bridget dancing with her new shoes?